Welcome to the first section of this course. In this first video, we will be straight going to my computer, and after that to C drive. We will find there a folder called XAMPP. Inside that we will find htdocs, and this is the root folder for this project, where we can save all of our PHP files and other folders, and after creating them we can access them on the local host or on the browser. So the first thing is to create a new folder here and name it search-engine. So this is our folder. This will be having all of our files of this project. Here inside this root folder, you need to always create folders with a name like search_engine or search-engine or something like that, without having a space. Inside the search engine folder, we'll create another one more folder called images. So in this images folder we can save some images which we will insert in this project. So after this we will open Notepad as a text editor, and here we will write our codes. The first thing will be a display page for the users. So here I already have a file. I just close that, and let's start. The first thing to create a web page is to work in HTML, and after the HTML work we can insert PHP codes inside HTML, because HTML is the structured language or markup language of web programming or web designing. So the first thing is to create a web page in HTML for displaying to the users. So here I will just write the HTML5 extension for the page, doc type HTML. This is the single tag for HTML5, and after that the basic HTML. The basic HTML structure for this page. This is the head, the title. In the title will be search engine in PHP. After that the title will be closed, the head will be closed. After that body will start from here and body will close here. So this is the first file. After that we will save it. You can save the files, HTML files, by just pressing Ctrl S from your keyboard, or from the file menu you can click save option. However, any option you use, this file will be saved. Ctrl S to save this, and we will go to a folder called, we'll first go to my computer, then to C, and after that to XAMPP folder, and then to htdocs, and there we have a folder called search engine. Inside that folder we have to save all of our files and other folders. So here's the name of the page. You will name it as search.html. The HTML will be the extension for this page, because this is an HTML file. For PHP file we will use the extension as .php, but this page is a display page, so the result we will be showing on another page. That's why we are giving the name as search.html, because we are not inserting any PHP code inside this page. So click save. After that you have saved this page. Now just create a form. A form is something really easy in PHP, sorry, in HTML. This is HTML tag to create a form, and after that create a input tag there. So form, and its action page is actually result.php. This is a page where this page will be going after someone click this the button inside this form. So the person will be going to this page, result.php. And there is another method. Method is another attribute for this form tag, which will be post. So I will tell you later on about the post in these things. Just let me sort this tag in a programming style. We have just forms tag started from here, and with its attributes. The action will be result page, where after clicking the person will be going here, the user will be going there to result.php, and the method is post. Inside this form tag, we need to create some input tags. We need to insert input type is equal to, type will be text, name will be search, not user query. This is the name. It's very important because we will catch the user input by using this name attribute in PHP. This is very necessary. You have to give any name you like, but the value you have to remember, because later on you can use this in your PHP codes. After that, another input which type will be is equal to submit, a button. Its name will be search, and a value will be given here to display on the button, like search now. So this is something that we have created here. Control S to save. Now if you want to see this page in your browser, this basic page, very basic, just open your browser, Google Chrome or any other you like. I'm using Google Chrome. So if you want to access this page, then you will have to write localhost, and after that folder we have created inside the root folder, search dash engine. You will have to just click that folder. So here you will see index of search engine. Index means that the index of search engine is here, means the folders and the pages are here. So you can see search.html. If you click that, you will see this search box and a button here called search now. So come back to your course. Here's the result. Here is the result you can see, and this is your course for this. Now let's make it a little bit beautiful by inserting some CSS. CSS codes are always inserted inside the head tag before the closing head tag. So we'll first of all insert the style tag. Its type will be is equal to text \CSS. This is the tag, the closing the closing and starting tag of CSS styles. So after that we can give some style to the, we can insert some, first of all we need to insert some styles for the form tag. Form inside two brackets, we can write some styles for this form tag, like margin will be 25% from the page, 25%. So that you click save from here, file menu, or you can press Ctrl S from your keyboard and just refresh this. Now this is here, you can see the center of the page. Now if you want to give a background, a beautiful style to the background, then you're good to go. For example, if you want we'll insert the body tag here, and for the body tag you actually don't need to, inside HTML you can directly select the HTML tags to style, to insert styles for, or something, anything you like to style up. So here we will just say background color should be like something, we can pick a color from by writing HTML color names in Google. So you can go to HTML color names W3 schools, and here you can, this is a very easy and quick tip if you want to find a good color for your web projects. So this is the color name, or you can copy the color code from here. I just copied the color code, we'll insert it here and Control S to save. Now come here and refresh this page. So you are seeing a color, a background color. Now come to this form again. Now I want to make this box a little bigger because this is very small, and I want to make it like Google. So we'll write an attribute called size. I will make it 80 points. Control S to save, and after that I will come here on the browser and refresh the page. So you can see now this is looking more beautiful and more good. If you want to take it a little bit above, then you can just in the body body style selector, you can just add some margins equal to minus 80 pixels. Minus 80 means this will minus and this will go up, but you can just say margin top. Now refresh this page again. So this is here. Now it's the exact position we want it. So this is the simple coding for this page. There is no need to add more things, but we can add something more if needed. Then we can add some more code on some styles etc. But this page is now ready, the HTML page. Search now, and here if someone writes something like something here, write something here. So after that the user will click this search now button and will be displaying some results over here. But before that, you can add a default text inside the box, and for that we use placeholder HTML attribute. Write something to search. Control S to save. Now refresh. This text will be basically inside the box now. Refresh. By default this text is here, and some more click, then it will be displaying the results. So this is the first video. We have created all the folders for this required folders, and a file search.html is also created. In the next video we will be doing the PHP work as well as adding some more styles to this search box. See you soon.